Okay, I'm going to share my money saving tip that I thought most people knew, but when I talk to people, it seems they don't. So this is what I do when I am in the middle of a paint job and I want to quit and get back to it later. So I just stick the paintbrush in the bag and try to remove as much air as I can. And then I'll just stick it in the refrigerator, freezer, depending on how long it's going to be before I'm going to paint. This I just used for an example, so throw it in the freezer. Here's what I do when I have a full paint tray and I'm going to get back to it later. I'll just cover it with a couple plastic bags, leave the brushes in there, and then when I come back to paint, I just pull it out of the refrigerator, give it a few minutes. If you're going to leave it longer in the freezer, you'll need to let it thaw out, so take it out with enough time. And that's it. Save your brushes, save your pennies, save God's earth, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like and subscribe.